I was only walking through your neighborhood, saw you light on honey in the cold. I stood.
Tayo po'y nagkatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para kay Aliyah Summer na magiging kaanib ng ating sambayan ng Kristiyano.
I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up here. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. There you are. There you are. You're the fire and the flood, and I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine.
Aliyah Summer, ikaw ay binibinyagan ko sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine. With your hands resting next to mine, next to mine. You're the fire and the flood.
Simple as the mist in the morning light, a symphony in my heart takes flight.
Hello,
Hello,
Aliyah!
Aliyah!
Welcome to the Christian world and happy first birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, baby, super happy ako to see you healthy and strong after a very challenging year because Aliyah has been in and out of the hospital sa buong first year niya. So, sobrang happy ko na ngayon kasama ka namin healthy and strong.
Aliyah, sa mura mong edad na ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan, sobrang matatag ka, anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At ang wish ko sa'yo, good health lang at saka sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung paggaling mo. Gagawin namin ni Mami ang lahat para gumaling ka. Ayun lang, we love you.
Take me down the river of your heart. Together we can make a work of art.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, baby, continuous recovery and just to be good and just to be kind to everyone. Kasi yung other qualities, bonus na lang yan, but nothing compares to a kind heart. So yun lang yung wish ni Mami sa'yo. And gagawin lagi ni Mami and Daddy lahat yung best to give you the life that you deserve. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
love you, Aliyah.
Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday.
Mwah.